It's kind of scary seeing myself up there. Well, thank you, Professor Russell, for those kind words. Good afternoon, faculty, distinguished guests, and my dear graduating classmates. Today, as I stand here, I feel nervous and shaky. And not only because I'm addressing a large crowd, but because there is no PowerPoint to assist me through the speech. As I was writing this speech, I was reminded of last year's consulting forum, where Dr. White introduced the keynote speaker. And what he did was he used some sort of keyword tactics. So today, for this speech, I'm going to elaborate on a few keywords. These are words that reflect well on our experience as an MBA student. These are words whose echo reverberates in the corridors of Van Munching Hall. So starting off, this first one is from our dear Director of Office of Career Services, Dr. K. And no, it's not, folks, one more round of applause. It's engagement. While OCS mentored us in engagement at Smith, our engagement with Smith began when we took the decision to come over here and join this community. We at Smith are a school with top-notch faculty who are both knowledgeable and approachable at the same time. We at Smith are a school with students who are eager and willing to learn and make an impact. We are a school with centers of excellence which provide us an excellent opportunity to showcase our engagement. We at Smith are engaged to entrepreneurship, to social value creation, and to global business experience. So being engaged at Smith means being engaged and making a real impact on the business community as a whole. So today, we all can proudly say that we are not only engaged, but married to the Robert H. Smith School of Business without an ability to seek divorce. The second one, that's our all-time favorite. It's networking. For most of us, this word had a very different meaning when we came to school. It meant dealing with switches, routers, and the internet. But it goes beyond that. It's about connecting to human beings, connecting to people. And there are tools like small talk. For international students, this was scary. I mean, who would have known that talking about weather can fetch you a business card? Or who would have known when someone asks you, how have you been? They do not expect an answer beyond a good and you at best. I have seen terrified Americans receiving full-length answers from my international friends. Actually, I'm not okay. I had this chicken salad in Rudy's and it was 2 days old. Jokes apart, the Smith School is all about overcoming challenges. So we overcame this challenge and almost mastered the art of networking. Last, but not the least, this one is very close to our heart, community. Remember how much time we spent during the first terms at school? Let me tell you, attending a 10:30 class, grabbing lunch at the community lunch, running into case rooms for a team meeting, rushing to the lockers, dressing up, sitting for an info session for an hour, and then arriving home to read case studies, it was tiring. To me, the biggest surprise is how did we survive? Well, we survived thanks to the support of all of you. Thanks to the attitude of standing by each other. Thanks to the attitude of encouraging through each and every step of this challenging journey. Thanks to the community. This community that we built together by saying cheers in socials, by participating in case competitions, by being on team assignments, and by being on the same pizza diet for months and months. Today, as we move forward and look forward to become business leaders of tomorrow, I have only 3 things to tell you. Number 1, engagement is a lifelong commitment to your passion and to your work. And at Smith, it is meshed with impact on society. Number 2, networking is a key skill. Have it, but make it genuine and natural to lead it to success. And finally, number 3, community. It is all about bonds, ties, relationships that we have created in the past and that we need to nurture and nourish and enrich as we move on. Friends, as I was preparing for this speech, of course in a bar, because that's where we make our decisions, a friend asked me, "You've worked in the US before. What's different this time around?" And I said, "It's all you guys. Thank you so much for making each moment so memorable at the school. Cheers one more time. We made it." Thank you.